Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today we will discuss pruning or topping pepper plants. It's a gardening technique used to increase the harvest from pepper plants. As you can see here, I'm snipping off the top of my perfectly healthy pepper. Peppers, similar to other plants, have apical dominance when the main stem is dominant. Topping forces branching. Peppers will branch eventually even without topping, but it may be too late for short growing season. So I have started my pepper plants from seed on January 28 and some more on the 1st of February. Then I transplanted them in the end of February into single cups so they have room to grow. Pepper seeds are one of the slowest to sprout, so that's why I started them earlier. Today is March 18 and my peppers are about 5 inches tall and they have 6 to 8 true leaves. It's perfect time to prune them. You don't want to do it earlier and leave your peppers without any leaves because they'll stop growing. Plants need leaves for photosynthesis. So this pepper over here has about 6 true leaves. We will not count those bottom ones that were first seedling leaves, only the large leaves. And I am cutting off the top middle. Here they are. This is, by the way, bell pepper that I planted on February 1st and transplanted on February 21st. Now let's do the other one. Again, we will cut the top, middle, making sure not to damage the other healthy leaves. And this is again bell pepper. So now that you know how it's done, let's talk about benefits and advantages of topping pepper plants. First advantage is it will increase the yield or production of your plant. Because you will have more branches on the plant, you will then have more fruits. After topping your plant, pepper will concentrate its growing energy on the side shoots or branches. So instead of one dominant stem, you'll have many branches giving you fruit. You can see here on this pepper plant, it already has a few shoots growing. The second advantage is you will have shorter but bushier plants. So you will not need to stake them and secure them, and you can grow them anywhere, even in small places. They are perfect for container growing. The third advantage or benefit is you will have healthier and sturdier plants, because bushing out makes thicker stems. Sometimes peppers can get tall and leggy, and when you plant them outside in the garden, wind or animals can break them. So to prevent that, we will top our peppers, and this way they'll get sturdy enough and later can hold high yields of fruit. So we'll have a lot of peppers sometime in the end of summer. Thank you for watching Kitchen Garden Therapy.